Imagine instead of detention, your punishment was to scrub the school floors. Except in Japan, that's not a punishment. That's a daily routine. Hey yo, what's up guys? My name is Muramasa and welcome to the first episode of Hey Yo Japan. This is going to be a mini series where I introduce interesting aspects and cultures of Japan that make you just want to go, hey yo! And for our first episode, I brought something that every Japanese child has to go through, O-soji time. In most countries, after lunchtime, most students put away their stuff and run outside the door to enjoy recess. However, in Japan, the end of lunch means that it's time to pick up a broom. Every single day, students are responsible of cleaning their own classrooms, hallways, and even bathrooms. Yes, you heard it, bathrooms. There's no janitor to do it for them. It's just students working together to make sure the school stays spotless. This practice is called O-soji, which literally translates to cleaning. But it's actually a lot deeper than that. It's essentially based on the idea that cleaning isn't a punishment, but a responsibility. Instead of seeing it as something beneath them, Japanese schools teach kids from a young age that keeping their environment clean and nice and tidy is just a part of life. And the results are actually kind of impressive. Schools that use this system report less vandalism, fewer fights, and a stronger sense of respect and responsibility amongst the students. Cause think about it. If you're the one scrubbing the floors, you're a lot less likely to spill your drink everywhere. And even if you did, you're gonna clean that stuff up. This system creates a sense of ownership, which means students take better care of their surroundings. But here's the thing, the benefits of O-soji go beyond just having a clean school. Cleaning together every day teaches discipline, teamwork, and time management. It's not like teachers are standing over the students yelling them, telling them what to do. Students have to figure out how to divide the tasks and get the job done on their own. And here's where it gets really interesting. This habit doesn't just stop at school. Because they grow up cleaning from such a young age, Japanese people naturally apply this mindset everywhere. Have you ever walked outside in Japan and noticed how incredibly clean the streets are? Except for Shibuya during the Halloween season, we don't really talk about that. But for example, train stations, parks, or after massive events. Have you ever seen one of those viral videos where Japanese sports fans stay after the game to kind of clean up their area in a stadium? Yeah, folks, that's O-soji in action. You see, at the end of the day, it's all about respect for your space, for others, and for the community. In Japan, cleaning isn't just about hygiene, it's about contributing to the world behind you. And growing up, I hated O-soji time. It was terrible. I had it in elementary school, I had it in middle school, I had it even in high school. When I was 16, 17, 18, I was still cleaning my classrooms. And at the time, I'll be honest, I hated it. I thought it was dumb. I thought, why am I spending my precious time cleaning when I could be outside playing soccer with the boys? But now that I sit down and I actually think about it, O-soji time was actually a beautiful thing that helped harvested a great mindset in not just myself, in every other Japanese person I know. And to be honest, maybe schools and communities from around the world could maybe learn a tour thing from it. Alright guys, that's all for episode 1 of Hey Yo Japan. If you made it this far into the video, you're an actual legend. Thank you so much. So what are your thoughts on this system? Let me know in the comments. Or if there's any other parts of Japanese cultures that make you go, hey yo, feel free to let me know. Yeah, I know this is a little shorter than my normal content, but I got a lot of ideas in mind. So make sure that you hit that subscribe and bell notification button so when in the future when I upload more episodes of Hey Yo! Sorry, I like to say that. Japan, you're the first to know. Alright, that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, weirdos, and I'll see you in the next video.